All right, people, so in front of me, I have the brand new Soundcore C30 open ear clip-on earbuds. Soundcore was nice enough to send a pair over for me to review. I know it's been a minute since I've been reviewing earbuds. Hell, it's been a minute since I've reviewed anything, to be honest with you, but I'm back, people, hopefully on a more consistent basis. Forget all of that. Today, I am introducing the future of personal audio, the Soundcore C30i open ear clip-on earbuds. These unique design earbuds are supposed to combine comfort, stability, and vibrant audio in a sleek package. Some of the characteristics that Soundcore boasts about when it comes to these earbuds are breathable comfort, secure fit, cutting edge attachable ear grips, which I'll get into when I unbox these, an impressive 30-hour battery life, 3D surround audio, vibrant audio quality, lightweight design, and IPX4 water resistant. Honestly, people, these are some of the most unique looking earbuds that I've ever tested. The only other earbuds that came close were the Link Buds. And speaking of unique earbuds, I know these Soundcore C30i earbuds are in direct competition with the new Bose Ultra open ear earbuds. Maybe I'll review those next and see which ones are better. Obviously, those Bose will cost a lot more than these Soundcore C30i open ear earbuds. But enough with the chit chat. Let's get into unboxing and first impressions.
Want to see some love? It's love day. I'm showing people love out here on the court.
All right, people, so you can pick these up on Soundcore or the Amazon website for around $70. So quickly going around this box on the front side, as you can see, you do have an image of the clip-on earbuds right there. It says powerful sound, innovative, attachable ear grips, multi-point connection, which is pretty much self-explanatory. They come in at 5.7 grams, IPX4, like I said before. Your playtime on here is 10 hours of playtime on a single charge. You do get, like I said earlier, a total of 30 hours of playback time with the case. The charging case will charge these back up 2 additional times. And these do have fast charging here, so 10 minutes of charge time will give you, I want to say, 3 hours of additional playback time. On the back side, it talks about the open ear comfort with the clip-on design, extra stable fit with innovative attachable ear grips, like I said earlier, enhanced situational awareness, obviously with the open ear design, a powerful sound with 12mm by 17mm drivers. Okay, people, so on the inside of this box, first you got some literature on top, and here are the earbuds right here. Let me put those to the side real quick. Here is the attachment for the extra stable fit. So you do got these in 2 different sizes. You have these in a large and you also have these in a medium. It says larger the size, more stable the fit. So I'm going to put on the medium size. I thought they would be a soft plastic, but they're not. And as you can see, these are exactly how they're shaped. You also have a USB type A to USB type C charging cable. I do have plenty of those. And then also you do get this quick start guide. It says get to know your Soundcore. It shows the back, the front, the touch controls, how to wear them, how to pair, and you know, all the quick information that you need to get started on here. Okay, people, so here is the charging case right here. Nice, sleek, compact design. And this charging case is, I want to say it is translucent. I think that's the word I'm looking for. It is not a solid color. You can see through it a little bit. As you can see, if I put my hand behind it, you can see my hand moving behind it. On the back side, you have a USB Type-C charging port. On the bottom side is where you do have your Bluetooth connection button. And then you have your indicator light on the front side. So if I put a charging cable in here, as you can see, your indicator light will flash on the front side when it is charging. This charging case is not capable of being wirelessly charged, so it's not an option. I wish it was. I would have liked to seen that, but for $70, I'm not going to complain. And here is the star of the show, people. Here are your clip-on style earbuds. And just so that you can remember which side is the front, the way that I noticed to tell the front from the back is that the side that has the charging points on here, that is the back side. And then you also can see that they're labeled left and right. The right one is labeled with a blue R, and then there's a white L on the left one. And as far as the ear grips go, like I was talking about before, they do go on the back side, like you can see right here. So this is how they'll fit on your ears, just like this. The speakers facing towards your ear hole, like so. You can move them up and down on each ear to get whatever desirable fit that you want to get, but I just like to have them sitting right in the middle of my ear. And they feel the best and the most comfortable right here. And to be completely honest with you, people, you can work out with these on. They are an IPX4 rated water resistant earbud, like I said earlier. When it comes to the stability of these and the comfort of these, I can feel them on my ears, but it's not bothering whatsoever. If I shake my head, move up and down, there's no wiggle on these at all. So if I'm jumping rope, if I'm, I don't know, doing burpees, whatever, any type of moving around, these will not slide off your ears. If your ears get really sweaty, that might be a different story. But as I'm wearing these right now, I can see these actually being worn for working out. I don't know if you get sweaty ears. I don't get sweaty ears when I work out. So these are good money for me if I decide to work out with these on. So these soundcore C30i earbuds are secure clip-on design with attachable ear grips, like I said earlier. These earbuds are also constructed from innovative, non-deforming hard shell material. These earbuds are meticulously designed to retain their ear shape. So you don't have to worry about them bending out of shape. Unless you break these aren't going to move at all. It's like a hard plastic. So you should be good money and not have to worry about these, you know, not being able to ever fit to your ears. They do have touch surfaces on here, and the touch surfaces are on the back side of the earbuds, and they also have 2 mics. I want to say 1 in each earbud, which I will test out here in a little bit. In true soundcore fashion, you do have an app for these earbuds. I would have liked to see the app be a little bit, I don't know, have a little bit more features in them, but they don't. So as you see right here, this is the Soundcore app. Go ahead and click that. I already have these connected to my earbuds. I already have these earbuds connected to my phone. So here's the main screen when it comes to the app. You have your 3D surround. Turn that on and off. I don't really think it makes a difference. You can hear a slight difference when it comes to the sound, but I just don't like it. 3D surround is just not working for me when it comes to these earbuds. You also have your touch controls right here. You have your left, your right. You have your audio section up top, and then your call section at the bottom, which is not adjustable like it says. And for the different options for the tap, you have double tap, triple tap, and hold for 2 seconds. Underneath all 3 of these options, you have volume up, volume down, next track, previous track, play, pause, voice assistant, and none. And that holds true for the right and left for all different tap options. And as you can see at the top, it actually shows you where the touch surfaces are on the right and left earbud. And that's pretty much it. I thought there would be like an equalizer in here, but there really isn't. You have your dual connection, that's your multi-point connection, self-explanatory, prompt tone, and that's the app in a nutshell, because there's really nothing else to talk about inside the app. Okay, so before I do get into the sound quality of these earbuds, I do want to play some music really quickly so that you can hear the sound leakage. Obviously, I do have a microphone right here, and I have another microphone right above me. It's about 18 inches away right here. So I'm going to play instrumental real quick, and just to see how much sound bleed comes out of these earbuds when I have these on full blast. So give me 1 second. I was wearing these for my wife, and she said she could hear the music pretty loud, and the sound quality, I mean, it's really good for open ear design earbuds. I'm not even complaining about that whatsoever, but I just want to let you see how much sound leakage.
What the hell did you just say?
Sound leakage actually comes out of these earbuds. So I'm going to go ahead and shut up and let you listen.
Don't matter if your birthday's coming up, I'm still gonna get you those little gifts, and it's not even about that. I just love to make you smile, so go and smile back.
Okay, so there's the sound leakage test right there. If you're in like an office environment, you probably want to turn them down, because I do believe that a significant amount of sound does come out of these for the sound leakage. I don't know if that would be appropriate for certain environments, but if you're walking around the city or whatever, go ahead and blast it. You'll still be able to hear everything around you, which these are designed for. Now, when it comes to sound quality, people, please keep in mind that these are open ear earbuds, and their main purpose is to prioritize situational awareness over absolute isolation. And my assessment of the sound quality for these earbuds are relative only to open ear earbuds. And with that being said, These Soundcore C30i open ear clip earbuds offer a unique listening experience with their innovative design. For the lows, the C30i's feature a 12mm by 17mm racetrack driver, which is 1.8 times larger than the standard models. This larger driver allows for powerful bass response. When you're listening to your favorite tunes, expect deep and resonant lows that add richness to your music. Now for the mids, the mid-range frequencies are where vocals, guitars, and other instruments typically reside. With these C30i's, you will experience clear and well-defined mids, whether it is a soulful singer or a guitar solo. These earbuds deliver the mid-range with precision. And for the highs, the titanium-coated diaphragm in these C30i earbuds ensures that the highs are crisp and detailed. Even with open ear listening, you will enjoy a vibrant and clear audio. Whether it is the shimmering of cymbals or delicate notes of a piano, the treble is well represented. The Soundcore C30i strikes a balance between bass, mid-range, and treble, providing an enjoyable listening experience. All right, people. So like I said earlier, these do have two mics for clear calls, and I'm running this call quality check right now just to see how good it is or isn't when it comes to these earbuds. So as you're hearing my voice right now, this is how the other person on the other end will hear your voice, and I'm going to go ahead and put some ambient sound on so that we can see how much ambient noise these let in or these don't let in. So give me 1 second. All right, so halfway on sound, I'm gonna go ahead and let the beat come on and then turn it up and see how much ambient sound these actually let in. So here we go. Mic. All right, that's good enough. That was my call quality check, people, for the Soundcore C30i clip-on open ear earbuds. Open ear clip-on earbuds. And for latency, people, I did play around on Call of Duty Mobile. Not the new one. Don't like the new one. Just the original Call of Duty Mobile. There was slight latency, but nothing too severe where you couldn't just mobile game on these on a regular basis. I would have liked to see maybe an option to eliminate as much latency as possible inside of the app. Obviously, as you saw, the app was very limited in what it can do for these earbuds in the first place. As for latency when it comes to mobile gaming, it wasn't bad at all. It was slight, extremely slight. Wasn't nothing that will, you know, hinder your success when it comes to mobile gaming. Overall, for me, open ear earbuds, I'm not high on them as of yet. It's not that I don't like them, it's just something that's just not for me. I'd rather just walk around with one earbud in with amazing sound and just leave one out. That's just how I rather be. But maybe, I don't know, the more I commute in open environment, if I ever get back to doing that, then I might go back to I might try to look for some open ear earbuds, but right now it's just not for me. But if you are in the market for some open ear earbuds, go ahead and check out these Soundcore C30i. They sound really good. They are a new look on the market when it comes to open ear earbuds, and maybe it might be something that you like. For $70, it will not hurt you to try these out. So that's all I got for you, people. That is my full unboxing and first impression of these Soundcore C30i earbuds. As always, if you found any value in this video whatsoever, please smash that subscribe button down below, and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified when I drop my next tech video. As always, thank you for stopping by the Tech Love channel. My name is Nicholas, and I'm out. Peace.